The emails the dossier organization said it was sent suggest Natalia Veselitskaya worked closely with a top official in Russia's Prosecutor General's office to fend off a U.S. fraud case against one of her clients. Veselitskaya has denied connections to the Russian government since her meeting with then-candidate Donald Trump's son-in-law Jared Kushner and campaign chairman Paul Manafort surfaced during the investigation of Moscow's meddling in the 2016 presidential election. The encounter at Trump Tower in New York took place after Donald Trump Jr. was told the Russian lawyer had potentially incriminating information about Trump's election opponent, Hillary Clinton. Veselitskaya is well connected as a lawyer in Moscow, but the extent and nature of her government ties has been unclear. She could not immediately be reached for comment on the emails Friday. Dossier, which provides information about officials and business leaders it considers part of the Kremlin political group, said Friday it had been sent a series of emails from 2014 that show Veselitskaya set out strategies for responding to a United States request for assistance in a money laundering case involving her client. Veselitskaya was helping to defend the Prevezin Holdings company and its owner, Denis Katsev. U.S. prosecutors accused Katsev of laundering proceeds from a $230 million Russian tax fraud scheme by buying real estate in the U.S. Dossier published screenshots of what it said were emails about the case between Veselitskaya and Sergei Bakarev, head of the Criminal Investigation Division of the Prosecutor General's office. The organization did not reveal if it knew who shared the emails, if they were sent anonymously, or if any efforts were made to verify their authenticity. The Kremlin did not comment on the prosecutor's cooperation with Veselitskaya. Last year, the Justice Department settled its case, with Prevezin paying $6 million in fines while not admitting guilt. The alleged tax fraud scheme was exposed by Sergei Magnitsky, a Russian lawyer who died while jailed in 2009. U.S. lawmakers enacted a law named for him that imposed travel and financial sanctions against Russians believed to be involved in his death. Donald Trump Jr. has said the June 2016 meeting with Veselitskaya included discussion of the Magnitsky Act sanctions. Dossier is an arm of exiled tycoon and Kremlin critic Mikhail Khodorkovsky, a one-time oil billionaire who spent a decade in prison on fraud and tax evasion convictions that were widely seen as retaliation for his political ambitions and opposition to Putin.